There's a story. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom where there was a farmer's son who used to help his father, and king's son who was a prince dreaming to become a king in future. One day, they both go into forest. Farmer's son goes on search of some food. Prince goes into forest for an adventure. Somehow, they both miss the route to home and gets to a place where they find a monk. Walking a lot for searching the route, they both gets thirsty and ask monk to offer some water. Monk agrees to give water but under a condition. Monk asks each a question. What is given equally to you both? Both thinks and answers nothing. Prince, no way, there's nothing equal between us. I am the future king, says proudly. Farmer's son, yes, I am a farmer's son. We earn by working. I am not comparable to Prince. Monk smiles and gives the water, saying, Time. You both have only 24 hours a day. That is given equally for everyone on this earth. Monk addresses the ways and they both moves on. Farmer's son was so curious and thinks deep while going home. Prince didn't even care what Monk told. Farmer's son decided to utilize his 24 hours very efficiently. So, after helping his father, he used to learn skills for survival. He learned horse riding, archery, sword fight, etc. On the other hand, Prince always used to waste his time all the day without any hesitation. He always dreamt of becoming a king. 2 years passed on. All of a sudden, the kingdom was hit by an enemy. Everyone is running for their life. Within moments, the king was killed. As there was no any skills learned by Prince, he tried at least to run away, but was killed on his way. King's whole family was down in moments. On the opposite side, farmer's son, who learned all the skills, was fighting with the enemies fearlessly and was unstoppable. All the soldiers at once took his side, seeing his ferociousness, and fought together. And finally, they won the war. Farmer's son, who fought at the sinking stage, was given the honor to rule the kingdom. Monk hears all this and smiles while going into his meditation, whispering himself, Time. Time is given equally for everyone. The one who utilizes earns its fruits. The one who don't goes into ashes. Time is a precious gift.